there's no tension. Welcome back to Daisy's World, that's right, my world. And as you can see here, I have some drinks. It's called Formula. I've heard so much about it since I've been here, sorry. And I've just decided that I would like to try it. So here's the creator.
So, my name is Taj from Nevis. This is something I've been drinking, well, not in the state it is now, but at an earlier state we used to drink it all the time. We call it bush rum, Hammond, but I just took it and refined it and made a drink called Formula.
Okay. What gave you the idea to call it Formula?
Well, we used to call it green tea, all kind of different drinks. And there was a particular year when Alkaline had a song called Formula, and that particular year we were drinking a lot of this. I'm not sure why. And then it was at a dance at a club. I want my brethren them to come up to talk about Alkaline got the Formula, we got the Formula, yeah. So from since that we start calling the green one the Formula. And then I start making more of this. And then at Christmas, my mother does go sorrel. So one time I took up some sorrel that she had picked and I put some of the bush rum in it, turn it red, and then my friend them tried it and then all them decided that they like it. So that's how the red Formula come about.
So what about the apple?
Apple pie now. Somebody messaged me online. I think this lady from Tennessee or something, and she was saying that she seen me other two drinks Formula, and that the family had been making moonshine for years, and they make something around Christmas time called apple pie, and she sent me the recipe, and then she told me maybe I could make a Formula like that. So I tried with her recipe first, but it was too sweet. So I removed some things like the brown sugar and all of that, and then I used some things I could find locally instead of her stuff, and then that's how I end up with the apple pie Formula.
So what makes Formula so popular?
It doesn't give a hangover. You drink, you can mash up, waste it, whatever. And with the green one, you get high as well as drunk. So you don't get hangover and you get high as well as drunk.
So how long have you been in business for?
Well, selling it, I think about 2 years selling it. But before that, I was probably giving it away free for like 5 or so years. Because I used to just come into fets. With like big 5-gallon bottles and just get everybody drunk. Just give all my friends, everybody who want one, they would come. Once it's like a bring your own rum kind of fet, everybody used to just look for me and my big jug of rum. Yeah.
So which one of the Formula do people are drawn to?
The ladies, this one, because this is the sweetest one. This one doesn't need a chase or anything. This one you just chill it and drink it. I just drink it room temperature. But this one is the most popular one.
Why is that so?
Because it has the herbs in it. This is the one that will get you high as well as drunk.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm going to try each of them and I'm going to tell you what I think about them.
Guys, anytime you guys are in Nevis, you guys have to try Formula. Ask anybody about Formula. They're going to hook you up with Taj. Guys, it's great and you get no hangover. It's amazing.
Starting from the strongest to the weakest or the weakest to the strongest? Which one are you doing?
Let us start from the strongest to the weakest.
Okay. Let's go, man.
Not that bad. It must feel so strong at first.
See, you mix it with either jelly water or lemonade. But the lemonade can be sweet. Yeah. You got to be stretched out.
Red woman.
Yeah, the red woman really. I'm sorry. And that's the apple pie.
No, it's fine. bomb. Could you tell us where we could find you if they want to come in Nevis and try this drink?
Man, once you come Nevis, you ask anybody for the Formula Man number. You just check me up on Facebook, Taj Taylor. Taj like Taj Mahal. Yeah. Once you're there Nevis, I think I could find you with the Formula.
Guys, it's a creeper.
which one you like the most?
This.
Oh, you like strong rum? Okay, good. That's my favorite too. Yeah.
So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, I have a lot more vlogs coming your way. Bye!
Later.